Our next transaction is of 26 January 2020 and it says Mr. Shahid sent all items against previously issued purchase order and purchase order number is 49. So that means we have to convert purchase order to purchase invoice, because whenever we receive the delivery, then we have to convert the purchase order to purchase invoice. Now the procedure is very simple. I'll go to vendors and purchases and go to enter bills directly and click on new bills. Now, the most amazing thing about accounting softwares is even if you don't remember that you have a purchase order in the background, it will automatically suggest you for the one. For example, if I select Mr. Shahid, it will turn all this area into gray and it will give you a suggestion that a purchase order needs to be selected. If you want to select it and convert to purchase invoice, I'll just select this. And date is 26th January 2020. 26th January 2020. Mention any invoice number for now. And since our entry says that Mr. Shahid sent all items against previously issued purchase order, I'll write all of these as received. Means remaining was 25 and received is 25. 30 and then 20. So this makes the total to 1930080. I'll just save it and just recall like this. Now you can see it's not saved or posted right now. So I'll just close it once and click on enter bills, new bills again. So now it's posted 1930080.